I have post-traumatic stress. These blasts or these high-speed collisions can damage the brain. I needed help. I was, a macho artillery officer, football player that had toughed through everything in his life and didn't feel like I needed anybody to help me tough through this. For 2 years after I was wounded, I would relive that flash and that explosion. I was in some traffic, and all of a sudden the explosion sequence started, and it wouldn't stop. I mean, it was like it was flooding me. I realized that I couldn't do it by myself. And this was part of my recovery, not just the physical, but the emotional and the mental. It's really a sign of strength to ask for help.
Help find answers for brain illness and injury. Donate to One Mind.